Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top 6 Windows Registry Cleaner software. For more information, visit our article, link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. 1. Advanced System Optimizer. Advanced System Optimizer is an all-in-one system utility suite designed for comprehensive PC maintenance and optimization. Its Registry Cleaner component scans for invalid, obsolete, or corrupt registry entries that may cause system instability or crashes. Beyond registry cleaning, it also includes tools for driver updates, disk defragmentation, memory optimization, and malware protection. Pros: all-in-one performance optimizer, perfectly accurate registry cleaner supported by auto backup, enables registry defragmentation and system protector tools. Clear, intuitive dashboard with visual performance summaries, regular updates, and good customer support. 2. CCleaner. CCleaner is one of the most widely recognized PC optimization tools trusted by millions of users worldwide. Its registry cleaner is designed to remove unnecessary or leftover entries from uninstalled applications, broken file associations, and missing shared DLLs. This helps reduce errors, improve boot times, and enhance overall system performance. Pros: trustworthy and beginner-friendly tool. Quickly scans and cleans up. Back up the registry before cleaning. Resource-friendly and fast performance. The free version is available for basic cleanup. 3. Wise Registry Cleaner. Wise Registry Cleaner is a robust yet user-friendly tool that categorizes detected registry issues based on risk level: safe to fix, recommended to fix, and not recommended to fix. This classification helps users make informed decisions about what to clean. It offers automatic registry backups and supports scheduled scans, which can run silently in the background to maintain system health. Pros: automatically backs up data, provides registry defragmentation, schedule automatic cleanups, free version available for personal use. Auslogics Registry Cleaner. Auslogics Registry Cleaner is a reliable and lightweight tool known for its simplicity and effectiveness. It scans for registry errors like missing references, broken links, and unused file extensions. One standout feature is the detailed report that lets users review each issue before fixing it. It creates automatic backups to ensure safety and comes with a clean, straightforward interface. Pros: safe and advanced cleaning algorithm, complete registry backup, easy to understand problem summary, free version available, light on system resources. Glarysoft Registry Cleaner. Glarysoft Registry Cleaner is part of the broader Glary Utilities suite, offering both standalone and integrated usage. It efficiently identifies and repairs problems in the Windows registry, such as missing shared DLLs, invalid paths, and unused entries. The software includes features like one-click repair, automatic backups, and customizable scan levels. Pros: automatic repair and backup, categorizes issues based on risks, fast scanning engine, light on system resources, free version available. 6. Eusing Free Registry Cleaner. Eusing Free Registry Cleaner is a lightweight, no-frills tool that focuses solely on cleaning and optimizing the Windows registry. It scans for invalid registry entries and provides a detailed list of errors, allowing users to select what they want to clean. The software automatically backs up the registry before making changes and supports multilingual interfaces. Pros: offers a deep scan, creates backup and restoration, easy and low-resource installation, provides manual control over detected problems, free and can run on older Windows versions. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article, link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.